The border control that will start operating from now on, where either your face or fingerprint will be scanned, will not be used for residents, neither for Spanish residents nor for nationals. It will be carried out solely and exclusively for those who need to enter with a Schengen visa, or for those Latin American countries whose citizens have a short stay period, the same stay periods as those with Schengen visas, but not for nationals or residents. We already mentioned this in a previous video because no country wants to give information to another country about its citizens, whether it's the mayor, the minister, or the military, about who leaves, who enters, and where they go. What was signed in the European Union among all the countries to implement this unified customs system interconnected between all the countries, including Spain, is, I repeat, only for those who are neither residents nor nationals. It will not be used for residents or nationals. And proof of this is a video released by the police explaining this new control system, in which they clearly specify what it will be used for and who will not be using it. From this moment on, even though the new system is being implemented, passport stamps will still be given to those who are recent nationals. I hope this little talk has been helpful to you. Best regards.